Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Iyana. If you're not subscribed and you just in the sea on the boat just visiting, you need to make sure you leave here subscribed. Do not leave here and you're not subscribed, because you're gonna be looking for me again to try and sail back to my island to see what I'm up to, but you're not subscribed. So press subscribe. Okay, so in today's video, I know I look different with my eyebrows. These are not the brows that I wear on a brow to brow basis. So I'm going to be using the Glossier products today. Only about 4 products from the collection. Well, not from the collection, but from them, because they're a little steep. So, you know, I had to use my money to get these things. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the demo and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm coming to you guys with a fresh face. I just washed my face. Excuse my little visitors on my face. They here, but they're not here to stay. From the title, you can see what I'm doing today. We're going to be using some Glossier products. So I saved up some money just to try it out because they're a little expensive, I'm not gonna lie. So when I open the box, you see Glossier, and I got a little sample of a priming moisturizer. I might actually put that on right now because my face is kind of dry. Came with a little cute little sticker, so I don't know where I'll put that at. Fun fact, I used to always collect stickers when I was younger, and I never put them on anything, I just had them. Fun fact. So this is the packaging that came in. It's very odd. I never seen anything like this before. So it came in like this little bubble wrap Ziploc bag, which is weird. I already opened these products just to see how they look. So yeah, I bought the, what is this? I bought the Generation G. This is like a matte sheer lipstick. I bought it in the color Zip. So it's just like a really pretty red color like that. So I bought it in that color, and the packaging is just simple, cute. You know, it says Glossier. Simple packaging. Another item I bought, I already opened it obviously, is the Holoscope Dewy Effect Highlighter. And I love highlighter, so I had to get it. So this is the packaging for the highlighter. Just really simple, sleek. And this is the highlighter itself. This is in the color Quartz. So this is the color right here. And it's like a stick highlighter. I don't have any stick highlighters, so that'll be interesting. You guys know I love my brows. I have not steered to use nothing else on my brows except for CoverGirl Soft Blonde Eyebrow Pencil. That's the only pencil or thing that I use on my eyebrows. But when I saw this, I was kind of like interested. I bought the Glossier Boy Brow. It's a grooming pomade. So I think it's like a, it has a spoolie and you brush it on your eyebrows. I don't like, what is it? I don't shape my eyebrows except for with a pencil, so I don't know how my eyebrow hair is gonna look with this. But it's just like this. This is the packaging. It's really small. It's in the color blonde. Yeah, and it's like a little spoolie brush. And I forgot to mention that they also sell a clear pomade with no pigment in it at all. I'm thinking about picking that up and trying that just on my natural eyebrow hairs. And I got the Brow Flick microfine detailing pen, and it's also in the color blonde. I'm gonna be using that on my brows today as well for you guys. This is the packaging once again. It's in the color blonde, and it's like a felt tip. And see how this goes. I will also leave the prices of everything I bought in the description box. I believe all of this came up to like $70, but that's that. But I will leave everything in the description box so you can go check it out. But I'm gonna put this moisturizer on. It was a free sample, so I like free stuff. Put this on real quick. moisturize. I know Glossier it's like a brand that's like, it gives you a no makeup look almost. The first thing I'm gonna do is use the Generation G Lip Matte Sheer. Can't talk. Use a Generation G Matte Sheer lipstick. I'm gonna zoom you guys in too, so you guys can see my face. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to use is the Generation G lipstick in the color Zip. So it's supposed to be like a sheer lipstick. I got the red so it can be like, give me a little color to my lips. I like it actually. I'm not dry. It doesn't really have a smell. It smells like old people. I don't know what it smells like. It doesn't have like a smell good smell, but man. And I think this is buildable, so I guess the more you put on, the more vibrant it'll be. But I think this is cute like this. So yeah, this is how the color Zip looks on me. I like it. It's real cute. It gives me like a little color to my lips. It's cute. Alright, I don't know. I want to try the highlighter now. Oh, I need to put some mascara on too. They have a mascara for Glossier, but I didn't buy it. I'll probably buy it next time. But I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on my lashes. My baby lashes. Alright, so got my mascara on. So I'm going to go ahead and go in and use the highlighter in the color Quartz. It's really soft. It's not like bright like in your face like boom bam, but again, I think Glossier is supposed to be like a makeup, no makeup look, so you're supposed to look like you got no makeup on, so that's understandable. I don't know, but with my highlights, I wanted to be like boom bam, like you highlighted and you glowing from within. Even though I wanted to be like more boom bam in your face, I like it though because it's like more of a settle look for those days where you don't want to be like too much. It's really creamy though. Like I like it because it's settled, and if I want to wear a highlighter one day without having like too much going on, trying to look, you know, chill, cool in a t-shirt with no makeup look, then yeah, I'll use that. But most of the time I want my highlighter to be like boom, like she got highlighter on and it's shining to the sun. Alright, so now I'm gonna go and do my brows. I'm so picky about my brows, like I'm kind of like nervous, my heart's beating kind of fast. On the site they use the felt pen first, and then they use the pomade, so I'll try that first. Y'all, I'm so nervous, like I don't use nothing else on my eyebrows because I know how I want my eyebrows and stuff. But here we go. I'm so dramatic. Okay, if I'm blocking the view, I'm sorry. Y'all, are they sure this is blonde? Cause this looks brown. I honestly feel like this is not blonde. This is not blonde. Let me make sure. Yeah, it says blonde on the thing. This looks like more of a ashy brown. But I'm gonna go in with the pomade now. This is supposed to be in the color blonde as well. I like the effect effect it gives, like with the feather. Like, have you ever seen, I'll probably have to put a picture in here, but have you ever seen like people that have their brows and their hairs are like straight like that? I like that effect. It does give you that effect, but it's not blonde. In my opinion, this is not blonde. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not in the color that I want. And this is supposed to be the lightest color. I'm not too used to seeing myself with dark eyebrows. That's probably why I'm just like, eh. But I do like the effect though. Like, I really do like the effect. Like, it's really cool and it's really nice and it looks really natural. It's just like this color is not the fit for me. Let me do the other side. Maybe if I see both brows done. So this is how the brows look. I'm not gonna lie, I do like the effect that it gives me with the pen and the pomade together. It makes it look more natural. I just wish it was more my color, like a true blonde or a honey golden blonde, or a soft blonde. This is more of a in my opinion like a ashy brown. I do like the effect though. Like, let me get close and personal so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, I really do like the effect that it gives my brows. Like, it makes them look like, I don't know how to explain it. It makes them look like a feathery, like, wow, full brow. I do have a lot of brow hairs. You can't see them obviously because they're blonde. But I do have a lot of brow hairs. But the pomade makes it look like it's like full and like wild, like a wild natural type of thing. So you're not going to get the because usually I wear my brows like they just like sleek, sharp, defined, angled. You're not going to get this with this. This is supposed to be like natural filling makeup, so you're not going to get like a fleeked, sharp brow with this stuff. I'm going to take one of the eyebrow makeup off and just use the pomade on its own just to see how I like that. Alright, so I just wiped off one of the eyebrows. It came off pretty easily because usually with my CoverGirl it takes like, I can't even use a wet wipe to take it off. But I'm gonna go in with the boy brow, just the pomade itself on my eyebrows to see how that looks. Okay, so this is how it looks with just the pomade. I don't like it. Maybe because my eyebrows aren't shaped. Like, I don't shape my eyebrows at all since they're really light. I feel like there's no need for me to shape them. I just use a pencil and draw my eyebrows. The pomade defines where I need to get my eyebrows shaped. This is, yeah, hot mess. If you have brows that's already shaped and nice and clean, I feel like that will be good. Just that alone on your eyebrows, that will be fine. But I don't shape my eyebrows or tweeze them or whatever, so I'll probably do need to use a pencil or this to make sure I get my shape going on, because without it, it looks a hot mess. I feel like this pencil is probably making it not look blonde, because the pomade itself looks way blonder than the pencil. This is the side with the pencil and the pomade brush, and this is the side without the pencil, and it's just the pomade. Would I use this on a regular basis? No, I wouldn't. I'm gonna stick with my hard fan CoverGirl eyebrow pencil that I always use. It never fails me. I use it in soft blonde. That color is like almost exact match to my hair, and that's the only pencil I have found that has been that close to my hair color, so I feel like that's a match for me. Again, I do like the effect of the stuff, but the color, and I feel like I don't have that much control when I do my brows. That's the only thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was interesting because I never tried their products. I might end up picking up more products to try in the future, but these are the 4 products I have to buy right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. I love you guys. Don't forget you're beautiful. And I will see you guys in my next one.